Hello guys, today we're gonna do, I have a Boeing 777, I just did the fourth professional subscription on Internet Explain 10 level. So today guys, we're going to see, we're going to fly a 777 in a storm. Yeah, just that. I'm at 4% right now. Man, the storm is strong. And storm, I can tell the storm is kind of...
approaching, I had 8 heavies leveling.
Oh no. Basically, this is the strongest storm I ever seen. Even the rudder can't handle. Even the rudder had enough of it. Even the rudder... Oh, okay. Sorry for repeating. Well, the storm is so strong that the rudder didn't have enough. Oh! No, not the machine. Come on, why does the Boeing 777 sound like a machine gun? You know, it's kind of scary. Trust me, when I hear that noise when I'm in the air, I know the 777 will plummet to the ground. As you see, I have Delta Airlines. Okay. Oh boy. Storm is very strong. By the way, the storm is strong enough to blow away my plane. I set full turbulence. So who knows what will happen during takeoff. I have a feeling this reminds me of Hurricane Harvey. Good thing this runway is open. Man, gosh, that's a good thing the runway is open. Oh no, it's not long. Okay. Let's see. That's basically like less than half of the runway. So I bet that's gonna be enough for takeoff. But the rudder is done with this. I feel sorry for the rudder. Man, the rudder won't work in this weather. Sorry, rudder. I give a shout out to this rudder I'm using right now. Even the storm is so strong. The storm is so strong, even my 777 will give up trying to taxi. Okay, now let's take the risks. I'm sure the same thing is gonna happen as what happened to me flying an A380 in the sun, in a sunny day. And then it just turned around and sad. I'm a bad. Yep, see guys. Man, the storm is so strong. Even my plane won't. Oof. Boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yep, there's a good reason they cancel flights. It's just so windy. But we're lucky that we're Whoa! Let me find.
0's gonna maintain 16,000. 716,3040 United. 800.
Okay, you know this isn't a good.
1,500.
Ooh. Oof. Come on. Come on, the damage doesn't match. The damage doesn't match my crash. So that was sad. We must make it a sunny day to challenge. I'm really done with this challenge. Hey, Stampede. I think it was a better. Okay, now I'm really scared of. Okay, that made me scared of turbulence for life. Okay. Okay, so this is all for this video today. Bye.